Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that turns your buying decisions from meh to yeah. Today, we're diving into the wild world of 3D printers. On the left, we've got the Anycubic 4K plus Resin 3D printer. Let's call it Anycubic. And on the right, the Creality K1C 3D printer. I'm gonna call it Creality King. Let's get into it and see which one reigns supreme. First up, let's talk about that sweet cash. Anycubic comes in at a wallet-friendly $229. Meanwhile, Creality King struts in with a price tag of $699. For that price difference, you could buy Anycubic and still have enough left over for, well, a lot of resin. If you're on a budget, Anycubic's already winning this round. Now let's get pixel perfect. Anycubic rocks a 6.6-inch 4K plus monochrome LCD with a resolution of 4096*2560. That's like having a mini IMAX screen for your models. Creality King, on the other hand, boasts a Core XY system with a max speed of 600 millimeters per second. It's fast, but does it have the same level of detail? Not really. According to reviews, Anycubic produces high-quality miniatures and scaled-up versions that look like they stepped out of a Pixar movie. Creality King, while fast, doesn't quite match up in the detail department. But wait, speed demons, listen up. Creality King is 12 times faster than your average 3D printer, reaching speeds of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's basically the Flash of 3D printers. Anycubic is no slouch with an exposure time of 1.5 to 3 seconds per layer, but Creality King is like, hold my filament. Reviewers say Creality King's speed is a game changer for those who need quick results. Let's talk about extruders and nozzles. Anycubic has a laser-engraved build plate, which is cool and all, but Creality King has a tri-metal unicorn nozzle. Yes, you heard that right, unicorn. It's steel-tipped and can handle carbon fiber like a champ. Reviewers have praised Creality King's ability to handle exotic materials, making it the go-to for those needing versatility. Ease of use is crucial. Anycubic comes with Photon Workshop Slicer 3.0 software that's free forever. It's like getting a lifetime supply of fries with your burger. Creality King, however, has hands-free auto-calibration and an AI camera that watches your prints like a hawk. It's like having a 3D printing butler. Reviewers have found Anycubic easy to set up and use, but some have noted occasional issues with auto-leveling. On the other hand, Creality King's advanced features make it almost effortless to operate, though it may come with a steeper learning curve. No one wants to live with a noisy printer. Anycubic doesn't make much noise about its noise levels, but Creality King goes full-on ninja mode with a silent mode that brings it down to 45 decibels. Plus, it has an air purification system that makes your workspace smell less like a chemical factory. Reviewers appreciate Creality King's quieter operation and cleaner air, making it a better choice for home environments. Overall, both printers have their strengths and weaknesses. Reviewers appreciate Anycubic for its affordability, excellent print quality, and ease of use. However, some have noted issues with auto-leveling and print adhesion. On the other hand, Creality King is praised for its incredible speed, advanced features, and quiet operation, although some users have experienced initial setup issues and defects. So, who takes the throne? If you're looking for affordability and high-resolution prints, Anycubic is your go-to. But if you want speed, exotic material handling, and a printer that practically does everything but make you coffee, then Creality King is your ruler. Either way, you're winning. Because smart shoppers always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time.